Hey everyone, this is going to be part two of my parametric precedent. I did figure out what was wrong with it. It was the center points, the centers that I was referencing with my polar array was not corresponding the same as my flattened tree was. So I fixed that, and now it works. But I thought of a different way of making this, and it probably would have been easier. Instead using, I think, a combination of series and range at the very beginning instead of splitting my list. Because I noticed once I split my list, it kind of jacked it up pretty bad. So I probably don't want to ever do that unless it's like the very, very end of something. So like this is the splitted list, and this is what I used a lot of. So let me see. Actually, at the very beginning, maybe I should have simplified it, but that's another time for another story for another time. So yeah, this is going to be a shorter one, obviously. I'm probably going to be only like a minute, but yeah, I got that done. I will post the script as well if you want to look at it. I'm going to do, instead of just making it and then, first I have to cap it. Instead of just doing that, I'm actually going to do behind the scenes of a little bit of me photoshopping it, and a little bit of, not photoshopping, like a lot of post-production work. So I'm going to do not just the grasshopper script, I'm also going to model a little bit of the scene like it's realistic, kind of how wait, where is it? Oh yeah, I was looking up stuff. That's YouTube. Sorry, like how this is, so I'm going to add a little bit of the textural kind of aspects of it, not the howls and all that, but just kind of some trees and stuff. So we're going to add that, and I will definitely try to render a scene like that too as well. So now I'll get back to you guys when I show you. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. This is just the second part. I will go more in depth on this, but yeah guys, thanks for watching.